mindset, when you message it out, that people ought to be keeping in mind. All right. One of the things a lot of states have done is adopt HealthCorps, which Jack kindly mentioned. HealthCorps is our Children's Health Education Foundation. It's in 14 states now in the District of Columbia. It's basically the Peace Corps. In fact, Timmy Shriver has been very supportive on the board of the entity, and California, when Maria was First Lady, was a big, and still is a big supporter of the program. But the Peace Corps was created by Sarge Shriver, and the basic concept was you take energetic college kids, give them a month or two of training, and then put them off in Botswana and build dams. We take those same energetic college kids who want to give back, and there are lots of them, and we put them through a month course about how to teach and how to teach about health. And then we put them in school systems around the country. And you know what? They teach the kids about what to eat, and they share with the kids how to get better exercise habits. But what they really do is they give the kids mental resilience. That's what health's all about. The reason you should be caring about health is because if people can control what's happening in their bodies, they can change the world outside their bodies. But if they can't even take care of their own habits, how could they possibly think they can make a difference anywhere else? When kids hear that message, it resonates with them. It's cool for them. It's about a kid a couple years older than them sharing insights with them about the world. And all of a sudden, the big conversation happens in the hallway, and they change what they're going to do in their life. We touch the lives of about 40,000 kids every year in this country. HealthCorps is a very inexpensive program. It costs about $1 per year of life per kid. I encourage you all to look into healthcorps.org. The content itself, you're welcome to use for free. It's a 501c3. It's primarily privately funded with a lot of public partnerships that we have with major states that I mentioned here. But it allows us to thrive and play a role and gives you a model, gives you an army of young people who are going to go home to their parents, and they're going to fight with them anyway. But they open the fridge up and they say, Mom, what gives? You got high fructose corn syrup in here. Or Dad, you're not going to walk? Simple things that allows a conversation to take place. So instead of kids being the Achilles heel of our society, they become the backbone, because they're the future, and they always have been the future. We take organs in the schools, literally, real organs. And I don't care where it might be, whether it's a gym class or it's a regular class system, and we work within the teachers' unions and the systems in order to get these volunteers to play an active role. And they live in these schools for the whole year as they take these kids through a life-changing awakening of how critical, how vital the temple of the soul is, the most valuable thing they were ever given.